I have compiled 6 rules to surviving a crisis, and I want you to use this clip whenever you are in crisis, or send it to someone whom you know is in crisis. Rule 1: gain control of yourself. Focus entirely on your physical reality, your safety, your pain, your stability. If you cannot secure yourself, you cannot help others. Rule 2: gain control of your emotions. Acknowledge the fear, the shock, or the rage as real. Then decide what you need to do. Let this decision drive your willpower. Your will carries you through crisis and not your emotions. Rule 3: claim a positive mindset. Identify what matters most to you, your loved ones, your animals, your property, or your community. Then anchor yourself, your thoughts, your actions in what matters most to you. Leave everything else for later. Rule 4: be accurate and brutal. To be accurate means to be confident in what you want to do. You are in charge. You make the decisions. Do so accurately. To be brutal is to ignite the full force of your being into every single action. The adrenaline pumping through you will provide supernatural ability. Be brutal when you are in a crisis. Rule 5: look past losses to deal with change. Once something is lost, life, property, money, it's in the past already. Leave regret and mourning for later. Admit the pain, face the new reality, and then adapt to deal with the immediate change. Rule 6: trust yourself. When crisis hits, your true self steps forward. The chaos outside is never greater than the power within. Step up and let the world witness that you are fully present.